The Genno, also known as Tsuchi or Tonkachi, is a tool made up of a handle and a metal striking face. When made of wood, it's called kizuchi. Its name varies regionally, but in English, it's simply a hammer. A Genno with two identical faces is a Ryoguchi Genno. One face is flat, and the other is slightly rounded. Use the flat face to start driving nails and the rounded face to finish, preventing surface damage. Make sure there's no wobble in the Genno's head before you use it. Grasp it with 3 fingers, allowing your index finger and thumb to touch it lightly, giving you better wrist flexibility. Keep your elbow still, using it as a pivot, and snap your wrist to strike. Keep your armpit closed to maintain accuracy and control. Ensure the Genno is perpendicular to the nail to avoid bending it. Try driving a nail while standing for better posture. Pre-drilling a hole helps prevent splitting. Hold the nail and place it in the pre-drilled hole. Start with the flat side of the Genno, keeping these points in mind. At first, hold the middle of the handle to guide the nail. Once it's stable, shift your grip to the end for a stronger hit. Finish by using the rounded side for the nail head. If you misdrive a nail, use a nail puller to remove it. Some hammers come with built-in pullers. Nail pullers leverage the principle of a lever. Hook the nail in the V-shaped groove and use the contact point as your fulcrum. Gently pull out the nail, holding the upper part for easier leverage. Let's explore some useful techniques for nail driving. When driving nails by grasping it with fingers, it can be daunting if you're worried about missing the nail or if the nails are too small to hold securely. In such cases, using a pair of pliers can be very helpful. Clamp the nail with the pliers and then hammer it in. This method offers stability, ensuring the nail goes in straight, and eliminates the risk of accidentally striking your fingers. A nail punch is an excellent tool for a strong and aesthetically pleasing finish. It allows you to hit just the nail head precisely. It's particularly useful in places where a Genno cannot reach. This tool ensures a firm fixation of the wood and leaves no marks. Wooden handles can loosen due to drying. If you notice any wobble, here's how to tighten it. Hold the handle with the head up and strike it against the ground. The head should tighten from the force of the weight. Continue until it's secure. Shave off any excess wood. Insert a wedge to finalize the adjustment. If your handle is broken or cracked, replace it. Not applicable to fiberglass, pipe handles, or those fixed with adhesive. For help in those cases, please seek professional help. Hold the handle with the head down and pull out the handle by striking the left and right sides of the head alternately. If it does not come out, drill a hole in the side for a wedge to loosen the handle. Pull the handle out with the wedge. Insert the new handle. The same size handle is made a little larger, so if it does not fit, shave it down to adjust the size. Shave the edge of the handle gradually, checking if it fits the head. When you feel that it's a little tight but can be inserted, it's just right. Once you've made the adjustment, use a saw to create a slit where you'll insert the wedge. It will keep the handle and head securely in place. Strike the handle against the ground until the head is firmly attached. Saw off any excess wood. Insert the wedge to secure it and complete the process.